In 2026, Audi will enter Formula One with a fully integrated factory team, combining in-house power unit development with a dedicated chassis program. The project is structured around meeting the demands of the new FIA regulations, which place greater emphasis on electrical power, efficiency, and sustainability. The power unit is being developed by Audi Formula Racing GmbH at the Neuburg facility in Germany. It features a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 internal combustion engine paired with a significantly more powerful electric motor. In line with 2026 hybrid specifications, the MG UK will deliver nearly 50% of the total system output, a notable increase over previous years. Fuel efficiency will be achieved through the use of advanced combustion strategies and synthetic sustainable fuels. As mandated by the FIA, Audi's engine testing program is already underway, including full race simulation on more than 20 test benches focused on thermal behavior, energy recovery systems, and gearbox integration. The chassis will be developed and operated from the Hinwil facility in Switzerland, following Audi's acquisition of the Sauber group. The 2026 car will be designed around new aerodynamic regulations that prioritize energy efficiency and reduced drag. These changes include active aero components, more compact dimensions, and improved packaging to accommodate the rebalanced hybrid systems. The entire project is governed by Formula One's cost cap regulations, which apply to both the power unit and chassis sides. Audi has adjusted its development structure accordingly, investing in long-term infrastructure and data-driven performance tools. Key focus areas include drivetrain efficiency, battery management, and system cooling. The driver lineup for Audi's inaugural F1 season will consist of Nico Hülkenberg and Gabriel. Hülkenberg brings more than a decade of experience and technical feedback, while Bortoleto, the 2023 FIA Formula 3 champion, represents Audi's investment in emerging talent. Audi's Formula 1 entry will mark the brand's first participation in the sport as a constructor and engine supplier. It follows extensive experience in top-level motorsport categories, including Le Mans, DTM, and Formula E. The company's focus for 2026 is clear, competitive, and future-oriented Formula One program designed for long-term development.